Hi everyone, we want to share this one tip with you to get full harvest baskets continuously from your garden instead of just a few now and then. This is a super simple concept and widely practiced but not widely spoken about, which is why new gardeners may not catch it until a few seasons into gardening. We will show you an example to explain this. Here we have these bush beans and you can see these are almost ready to push flowers. Soon they will start producing beans. And then we have the second group of bush beans that are a bit smaller than the first one and don't have any flowers yet. We sowed these two batches about 2 weeks apart from each other, and today we are going to sow our third batch. The way it would work is that as soon as the first batch starts producing, the second batch is almost ready to produce. There may be some overlap period, but when the first batch stops producing, the second would be in full flush. And when second one stops, the third would give us next few harvests. This practice can be used for crops that produce within 50 to 70 days of sowing. For example, we are also sowing our next batch of cucumbers today while the first batch is starting to make some flowers. We continuously keep start batches of carrots every 3 to 4 weeks. We did the same with radish while the weather was cool, and we are still harvesting those radishes. This practice is called succession planting. Most experienced gardeners practice it, which is why we get to see such wonderful harvests from their gardens. We learned it by trying it out last year with beans and potatoes. Before that, it was a puzzle for us on how to keep getting continuous harvests. Usually we all focus on big crops like tomatoes, peppers and such, but they take a very long time to produce. During that period, these fast-growing crops do such wonderful job of filling the gap. And best part is that these small crops can be tucked between the bigger ones. This year, we are trying our best to practice it as much as we can. To be precise, we keep a seed packet with us of radish or beans or carrot or lettuce while roaming around in our garden, and if we find a legible space, we put those seeds in. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.